Hey guys, this is Mercedes. So I bought this pink steering wheel cover. She's super fluffy. I bought her on Amazon, and she is a little, maybe too fluffy, which I thought I would never say, but she's a little too fluffy, so I've had to put some hairpins in her to unfluff her, as you can see. Because, here, let me take them both out. I don't know, maybe won't come out. There. Two pins in there. Because, let me revamp her. Because, as you can see, here, I'll switch the view. I don't know how to switch the view on here. Alright, as I was saying, I had to switch the view. So, we cannot, or you can't see like the speedometer and other things, like, you know, I want to see the temperature, I want to see how much gas I have, which, I need gas, but anyway, so things like that. So I have decided that I'm going to give her a little haircut. So as I was saying, so I am going to be giving her a haircut so I can see better. I will be linking the steering wheel cover down below, and then once I am done cutting, I will show you the finished product. Hopefully a little less fluffy, even though it's really soft, like it's really soft. But anyway, so I have brought, obviously, some scissors, and hopefully they work very well. And then I brought a little plastic bag because what am I going to put the hair in once I'm done with it? I don't want my car all fluffy, or, you know, with pink. Either way. So yeah, so I'm gonna get on that, and I will let you guys know, hopefully halfway through, how it's going. Wish me luck. Already shedding everywhere. I think that I am getting somewhere. It's just taking a while. I never thought that I would actually have to trim a steering wheel cover. Like, is that a thing? If it's a thing, please let me know, because I really don't think it's a thing. I honestly think though, I have spent more time moving my stuff on my rear view mirror. It keeps falling down. It is driving me crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna keep going, later now, and I have got all of this hair in the bag, all of this hair. I don't know if you can see it all. So I'm getting progress. I would show you, but I don't want to have to reach the camera or my phone again, because it took quite a long time. But I feel like you can see it though. You can see right here, it is going down. I was just gonna do the top, because because I was lazy, you know, and that was the only part. But then my friend, when I told her I was going to do this, she was like, you should probably do the whole thing. And I'm like, yeah, but I'm lazy, you know, and oh, that takes a lot of time. But now that I'm cutting it, I'm like, okay, maybe she was right. You know, she's the one who told me to do this video, and I'm doing this video, and then she was the one who told me that I should give the whole thing a trim, which I am. Also, it's shedding like crazy when I'm cutting it. Like, I don't know if you can see this, but I've got pink stuff all over my pants, and I'm wearing yoga pants, which are black, and so yeah, my legs are gonna be, so there pink, bleh, all sorts of pink hair on me. But I'll update you guys in a little bit, but until then. Guys, it's been about I don't know, about 30 minutes now, and so I don't know if you can see from the side, I have done a lot of snipping, so I'm gonna show you the final product now. All right, final product now. I don't know if you can see very well. I'm leaning all the way back here in the car, but here it is. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. And as you can see, I am shedding really bad. Oh my gosh, I didn't see all that down there. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will put my social media links down below, my Instagram and Pinterest. I don't have a Twitter, sorry. And I probably won't be giving out my Snapchat. Anyway. So much hair. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna have to lint roll myself when I get inside. Anyway, but let me know if you enjoyed this video. And I am going to be uploading videos probably once a month. I don't know if you guys have seen Annalise Woods videos where she goes, she's really into fashion, so am I love you, girl. Or I really like you, at least. In her style, live her style. Anyway, but I really like watching her videos, and I was thinking to myself, you know, I wonder if I could get, you know, really nice stuff, you know, on you know, like bargain hunting, you know, except for really nice things. So I went on Facebook Marketplace like a month ago, and I went and bought like brand new heels, and I got them for really great prices. And so yeah, so I have been wanting to upload that video, but I just got healed from spraining my foot. Anyway, different story. But I will be uploading that video here in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, so let me know if there's any other videos you think I should do.